Feeling bored? Rescue is on its way. Hi there, I'm Christina and this is Motherpreneur TV, where we say yes to create more fun and opportunities for our lives. Now at this stage during our self-isolation period, I'm pretty sure we're all caught up with our chores, correct? So now what? Now if you feel a little bit bored here and there, I have a few ideas for you. 11 to be precise. Now let's get started. Idea number 1. Go and set yourself a personal challenge. It can be something meaningful or something fun for you. For example, no eating or adding sugar or cookies for a day or for a week. Or to make sure you wear every single item in your wardrobe. I mean, that takes dinner preparation to a whole new level, doesn't it? Idea number 2. Go and color your world beautiful. Start painting. It doesn't matter where or what it is. You can paint on the pavement, on canvas, on rocks, anything. Idea number 3. Go and write some glowing reviews to your favorite author, products or services you received. And the added bonus on writing something amazing for other people, it makes us feel good as well. Idea number 4. Go and have yourself a good old spa moment. Number 5. Have a lovely cooking party with your children. If you don't or you can't go outside, use your household items and use them as exercise equipment, just like this. Idea number 7. If you own a business and you have a website, now take a look. Revamp your website. Start a blog, add a blog. Look at your social media profiles. Do they need any tweaking? Anything tweaking. Idea number 8. Do some online research for an item you really need and can afford. Not what you want, what you need. You'll be amazed the items and the deals you find right now on sale. Amazing. I just bought a pair of running shoes and they were $100 cheaper from the actually sporting goods site than from Amazon. Yeah, hello. Idea number 9. Go and make a batch of hand sanitizers. Super easy to make, only 3 ingredients is needed. I left you the recipe in the description of the video below. Plus, it's a super fun and useful gift for all your friends, family and acquaintances. Idea number 10. Now with all your unwanted gently used goods, either donate them or sell them on eBay, Craigslist or Marketplace. And idea number 11, go and write yourself your own Boredom Buster list. So the next time you feel a little bit, what shall I do today? Take a look. Now, these were my 11 ideas to beat boredom. Now let me hear from you. What do you do when you get bored? Please leave me your comment in the comment section below. Now thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Now I look forward to seeing you again next time. And until I do, please keep safe and healthy. And remember, we are more than just mothers. We are an inspiration to ourselves, to our family and to the world.